Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, we are talking the Timeless 20% Vitamin C Serum. This is hailed as being an affordable drugstore dupe to the much more expensive but cult favourite SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic Serum. This is because it combines very similar ingredients in a similar pH, delivers the same great outcomes and benefits. So a lot of people were really shocked when in a recent video where I captured my favourite vitamin C serums, which I'll link up there, I didn't mention the Timeless Vitamin C. There's a whole host of reasons why I didn't, and that's what I wanted to sit down and talk about in today's video. So sit back, relax, and let's talk the Timeless Vitamin C Serum. Now, I've got a whole host of things I want to cover in this video. I want to share with you my experiences with the Timeless Vitamin C, how it worked on my skin, and my overall assessment of the product. I then want to move on to why it's been banned from sale in a number of territories and it's getting increasingly difficult to get your hands on. Ultimately, we're going to work out whether it's a ding 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 holy grail that's worth the effort of getting hold of, or a wah 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 total fail, and maybe there's just some better products out there. I guess we should cut the waffle and get straight into my experience with the product. Well, I bought the Timeless Vitamin C Serum around 6 months ago based on your guys' recommendations. So many of you were calling out in the comment section that this was skin changing, life changing, and was the one product you couldn't live without. With reviews like that, who could resist? It wasn't available here in the UK, so I did have to import it from the US at a cost of $30 for the product, plus $20 for shipping and taxes. That means roughly I was paying around £40 for this product, which whilst that's up there in price, I didn't mind because of all the hype that came with the product. And of course, Timeless are an entirely cruelty-free brand, which met with my ethics and purchasing decisions, and so honestly, I was happy to give it a go. I got one pump of the product, which lasts me about a month and a half based on once a day use. I love the fact that it came in an airtight pump because vitamin C is inherently unstable and it oxidizes really quickly. So if you can get your vitamin C in an airtight pump, it'll just slow that down, meaning you're getting maximum efficacy for longer. In terms of the results I got from this product, well, I was stunned in terms of how much brightness, luminosity it brought to my skin. Honestly, I totally believe the hype based on my own experiences. It also claims to be able to boost the levels of collagen in the skin and add some great antioxidant benefits. I couldn't really test either of these claims out because I already had antioxidants in my skincare routine, so this is nothing new for me. And in terms of boosting collagen and helping to tackle fine lines and wrinkles, this is something that happens over a much longer period of time, so I don't think it'd be fair to really assess that based on just one pump, 1.5 months worth of use. But there's a lot of scientific data out there to show how effective pure form vitamin C's like this can be at triggering the body's natural production of collagen and evening out some of the fine lines and wrinkles. So I definitely think there's a basis for that claim. In terms of the formulation itself, it combines a 20% l-ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C in its purest form, alongside vitamin E and ferulic acid. These are two powerful antioxidants. This is like a powerhouse combination of products that is really going to get to work on tackling any hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and also giving you maximum antioxidant benefit, which I love. It's really, really good to see this formulated in a low or acidic pH of 2.4 according to Timeless, because at this pH is where vitamin C is at its most effective, because it's able to penetrate the skin and really get to work on delivering all those great benefits. So often we'll see vitamin C serums at a higher pH, something in the region of around 4 or 5, which is just not as effective. It's not able to penetrate in the same way, so you lose some of the efficacy of the product. This just isn't the case with the Timeless Vitamin C. That low pH is fantastic for the efficacy of the product, but you do need to bear it in mind because I did get quite a lot of stinging, prickling, sensitivity on the skin when I first applied the product. This wasn't a problem for me. I don't really have inbuilt skin sensitivity and it wore off after around 2 minutes. But if you have sensitive skin, I really don't think this is going to be the product for you. And I'd reach for a vitamin C derivative that doesn't need a low pH to be effective, as it's much more gentle and less likely to cause sensitivity on the skin. Overall, I would rate this product as an 8 out of 10. I love the ethos behind the brand. I love the formulation. I love the results that I got. I think it could be slightly more affordable when it comes to that price point, and I was a little bit disappointed that when I looked at the manufacturing date versus the date it arrived on my door, there was a 3-month lag. This isn't actually terrible when compared to some other brands, but because of vitamin C's unstable nature and its tendency to oxidize, I always say make sure that you're buying from brands that ship things quickly. You don't want products to be sat on warehouse shelves because that's when it's losing some of its potency and efficacy. So I would have liked this to have been made a little bit more fresh, shipped a little bit sooner, but overall it's still reasonably good when compared to some other brands. Now, with an 8 out of 10 rating, a lot of people will be questioning why this product didn't feature in my Vest Vitamin C's video that I linked earlier. And that all comes down to the inclusion of one ingredient in this product, which has created a whole lot of regulatory issues for the brand. This ingredient, which I'm going to leave a link to up there, first and foremost, because I can't pronounce it, I would butcher the pronunciation, but also so you know the spelling in case you want to do your own research, Googling and fact finding. This ingredient is heavily restricted in cosmetic products here in the UK and in the European Union, alongside some Asian countries. In the European Union, it's limited to 2.6% concentration in any cosmetic product, and the Timeless Vitamin C Serum far exceeds that. Whilst originally they used to sell into the UK and the European Union, regulators soon got wise to this and said, actually, show us your concentrations, and as soon as they did, they say, no, sorry, this isn't permitted for sale in either of these territories, which is why if you go onto the Timeless UK or the Timeless EU website, it's out of stock and has been for around 8 months, missing in action. This ingredient actually comes second on the ingredients list, so it is super high. It's before the vitamin C, which is the main active ingredient. It's included in this product alongside the SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic Serum as a way of enhancing penetration and absorption of the active ingredients. This ingredient is what makes this product so effective, and so simply reformulating with a lower concentration wouldn't deliver the same results that you're experiencing now, which could leave a lot of consumers disappointed, especially when for some of the biggest markets such as the US, there's no need to because it meets all the regulatory standards. You can get by the back door. Like a lot of European Union regulations, they don't actually prohibit sale in a meaningful way because, you know, we live in a global world where you can order and import these products from other countries. You can still buy it on the Yes Style website and have it shipped into the EU. So these are all ways of getting around that if you do still want to get your hands on the product. There is, however, a bit of me that thinks these regulations are in place to protect us, the consumer, and so circumventing them, importing, or, you know, finding a website that can secretly ship it to your country maybe isn't the right approach. We also need to bear in mind that these regulations vary wildly from territory to territory, and who's to say which country, which regulatory body is right and which is wrong? And it all comes down to personal preference and, you know, us, the consumer, doing our own research and looking into these products. I think it's perfectly safe to use the Timeless Vitamin C product. I got great results, and I think if you do your own research, you'll probably come to that conclusion. However, the effort, the time, and the additional shipping, taxes, and charges it costs to get your hands on this product, I just don't think it makes it worthwhile purchase for people here in the UK and the European Union, especially when there's some other great options out there which do meet the regulatory standards in these countries. I'll refer back to that original video I referenced right at the start of this video if you're looking for some great alternatives to this, which will deliver you all of the good stuff, the lit from within complexion, that gorgeous luminosity and vibrancy to the skin alongside the antioxidant protection. You can get that without having to reach for the Timeless Vitamin C 20% serum. I would love to know your thoughts and feelings on this product. I know so many of you are ride or die fans of this product, so sound off in the comments below. I got some great results, which is why I think it's totally justified to be in the Holy Grail category, but I think the additional effort and expense of getting your hands on it here in the UK or in the European Union doesn't necessarily make it a must-have skincare product, and I would look for some other alternatives that are just more easily accessible to these markets. If you're in the US, Canada, Australia, you can get your hands on this product. It's definitely one that's worth trying if you want those really quick results, giving you that gorgeous vibrancy back to the skin, luminosity, and that beautiful summer skin that we all crave. Wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and look after your skin. Take care. Bye.